This is Twit.
Our show today brought to you by Storyblok. Hello, Storyblok. You know the pain. If talking about being an editor at a magazine or of a website of legacy CMSs, it's always the thing that makes or breaks. You know, for a writer, you can always blame the CMS. You can say, well, I wrote it and I put it in the CMS and it lost it. These legacy CMSs promise, enterprise-grade features, but what do you get? I know, you get slow, clunky systems that need developer support for even the smallest update. And when you're trying to move fast, that's a nightmare. Well, let me tell you, you need to know about Storyblok. Talk about a great content management system. Unlike those monolithic CMSs, Storyblok is headless, okay? Completely decouples your backend from your front end. So that means your developers can work any way they like with any framework they like, React, Astro, Vue, whatever, even plain old HTML. Marketers can use an intuitive visual editor to create and update content, but they don't have to go to the developers to fill tickets when they say, oh, no, that color needs to be different, or can you nudge that 2 pixels to the right? No, you could do it all yourself. And Storyblok scales. Whether you're a freelancer, working on your own, or part of a giant global enterprise, they have a global CDN, AWS data centers in the US, Europe, and Asia. Storyblok is built for performance at scale, and it is enterprise ready. All the features you would want come built in, baked in, role-based access control, enterprise SLAs, of course, top-tier security, the stuff Fortune 500s demand. One global e-commerce giant switched to Storyblok and cut content update cycles from weeks to hours. That sound familiar? Another major brand empowered marketing to launch campaigns independently, freeing up the developers for bigger projects. They got that beautiful CMS. They can do exactly what they want. Storyblok has an API-first approach, so your content loads fast anywhere in the world. That means better UX. That means higher engagement, improved SEO. And with their real-time visual editor, marketers are going to see exactly what their content will look like before publishing. No more going back and forth with minor tweaks and all of that. Developers, you get fewer interruptions. Marketers, you get more autonomy. It's a win-win. If you're an agency, you'll like this. Storyblok offers multi-client workspaces, flexible permissions, and seamless collaboration tools. You can manage multiple products without disrupting development workflows. So whether you're a startup, an enterprise, or an agency juggling multiple clients, Storyblok gives you the power and flexibility you need. Try it out today. Storyblok.com/TwitTV-25. Oh, and use the code TWIT25. Twit listeners will get 20% off for the first 3 months on Growth and Growth Plus plans. So again, that's Storyblok.com/TwitTV-25. The offer code TWIT25 gets you 20% off the first 3 months on Growth and Growth Plus plans. STORYBLOK.com/TWIT-TV-25. I said that slowly, so you can write that down. You're going to want to use it. And don't forget the offer code TWIT25 for 20% off the first 3 months of the Growth or Growth Plus plans. Thank you, Storyblok, for supporting the show and making this all possible. We appreciate it. And again, you support us when you use that URL and that code. So please do that. Storyblok.com/TwitTV-25 and the offer code TWIT25.